So hi guys, welcome back to the channel again, and today we got something amazing here, and I hope you can tell by looking at it. And yes, it's a Burn Phoenix. So guys, I was trying to get this bay from a very long time, and finally today we got it. And in a moment I will explain like why I was trying to get this particular bay. And with this bay from the guy I bought, he gave these baseball stickers and a tool to assemble or dismantle the bay. So these two are not useful right now, so I'm gonna keep it aside. Now talking about the looks guys, look at the beauty. It looks amazing. So the reason why I wanted to get a Burn Phoenix is that it comes with a burn wheel, and the burn wheel is the signature fusion wheel of Burn Phoenix. So that's the reason why I wanted to get the burn wheel. And honestly guys, I love the burn wheel. And guys, the reason to love the burn wheel is this Burn Sagittario. So guys, I just wanted to get the bay from where the burn wheel started, and that is Burn Phoenix. So the burn wheel is the signature fusion wheel of Burn Phoenix. So guys, in terms of fusion wheel, they are same. The rest of stuff is different. You can see the tip is different, the spin track is different, the face bolt is different, the crystal wheel is different. But if you take just one look at it, you will say they are like cousins, right? So I just wanted to get the Burn Phoenix so that a Sagittario can have a cousin at least. And I wanted to get it because I just wanted to get a fight between two burn wheels. But still guys, I have a strong gut feeling that Sagittario is gonna win because he is a big boy, so obviously he's gonna win. So guys, that was pretty much it. It's pretty close. The only thing with this bay is the color difference. Apart from that, it's pretty good. So from the guy I bought, the tip color is different, but no worries, we can work it out. So guys, let's not waste any more further time. Let me bring out the stadium and let's do a battle, and it's gonna be a 3-point battle. So whichever bay gets 3 point first will be the winner. So guys, our stadium is set up and we are ready for the battle. So I know guys, Sagittario is pretty amazing. So for the first battle, I'm gonna launch Sagittario first, then I'm gonna launch Burn Phoenix. So here goes Burn Sagittario. So 3, 2, 1, let's rip. Now Burn Phoenix. 3, 2, 1, let's rip. Let's see if the owner of original Burn Wheel can snatch a win from the Burn Sagittario, or Burn Sagittario is gonna own the victory. Let's see guys how this is gonna go. And honestly saying, I am with Sagittario. I don't know why guys, but Sagittario is not looking good, and looks like the Burn Phoenix won it easily, and it still have a lot of stamina left. No worries, let's move on to the second round. As we saw, the Burn Phoenix also has a lot of stamina. So let me launch the Burn Phoenix this time first, then we're gonna launch Sagittario. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Let it rip. Let's see how this battle goes. Come on Sagittario, you can do it. So Burn Phoenix is having 1 point, Sagittario is having 0 point. Is Sagittario gonna lose this one as well? Oh my god guys, Burn Phoenix won it again. Burn Phoenix has 2 points, Sagittario 0. So this time if Sagittario loses, it's game over. So this time I'm gonna launch Sagittario first, then I'm gonna launch Burn Phoenix. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Now Burn Phoenix. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Oh my god guys, looks like Burn Phoenix is gonna win this one too. My bad, my bad. Burn Phoenix won by 3 to 0. Honestly, I wasn't expecting this guys. I wasn't expecting this at all. So, looks like the original owner of Burn Fusion Wheel won. But that doesn't mean Sagittario is not gonna be able to beat him again. He will. So guys, that was pretty much it for today. But before we wrap up this video, I'm gonna do one bonus battle. So let's do that and then let's wrap this video up. So here goes Burn Phoenix this time. 3, 2, 1, let rip! Now Sagittario. 3, 2, 1, let rip! Wow, this time Sagittario is looking good, I guess. Dude, in bonus battle you are doing good. In actual battle you are just making me look bad in front of other people. That's not right, Kenta. That's not right, man. And looks like the tables have turned in the bonus battle. But anyways, dude, you already lost. So bonus battle is not gonna help at all. So guys, that's pretty much it for today. It was a pretty fun video. And if you think it was pretty fun, just give this video a like. And if you are new to this channel, do hit the subscribe button. And I'm gonna see you guys in another video. Till then, stay safe and happy blading.